Hey guys, this is Henry here again, aka Spirit FX. Alright guys, as you all know, I don't trade volatility index. I've never traded it before. I'm more of a forex trader, forex, cryptocurrency, and that's what I do. If you check all my YouTube videos, all my tutorials is on forex. But recently, that was the day before yesterday, a very good friend of mine just told me about volatility index, and I was like, I don't want to go into it. It's too volatile and all that. I hear a whole lot of people losing their money within 1 second and all that. But she was like, but you know you're good in forex. And she actually went for a professional course on volatility and all that, and she was like, oh, it's the same strategy that works on forex would also work on volatility index and all that. I was like, are you serious? Yes. Okay, so I decided to give it a try. That was the day before yesterday. Let me show you. As you can see, this is a real account, Henry Smith deriv account. This is a deriv account, a real account. If it's a demo, you see a demo badge there. All right, now let me go to the history. As you can see, I deposited $45. $45. That was what I deposited. So right now, as we speak, I am at $224 from 45. Now I can close all this trade if I want to, but let me show you my charts. Let me go on a 1 day. As you can see, I've already crossed. Let me see. I have done my analysis and all that, and as you can see, that is where I actually got the entry points where I've been trading so far, and everything has been going perfectly well, as you guys can see for yourself. Volatility index is so sweet. Honestly speaking, it's so sweet. It is so sweet. I think I should start closing all these trades right now in profit, because I am a scalper. And she was like, oh, if you don't scalp, if you can leave your trades to run for a long period of time, you can make a whole lot of money. Because I saw her account, she deposited $200 and she used $200 to make $4,000 something within, I think, was it within how many days? I was marveled. I was marveled. $200 to make $4,000. That was actually what pushed me into giving this a try. And so far so good, guys. As you can see, this is a real account. I deposited, let me show you again, $45. Now look at where I am right now. So my strategy is actually working for this thing. So I'm not going to give myself the pass mark now or say, oh yes, I am lord of volatility index and all that. No, I'm still in a testing period. I'm still going to keep trying, and who knows, anything can happen. I might enter a wrong trade and it blows the account. Do you understand? It has happened several times. This is forex trading. It's not a new thing. Or this is let me just call it forex trading. It's not a new thing. Most times you can grow an account from $0 to $30,000, and just one trade or two trades will just take all that money away. So that's why you see me. I don't do swing trading or more of intraday trading. I'm a scalper. Once I see my profit, I scalp and I withdraw daily. I withdraw my profit daily, so that if, for instance, the market doesn't now go in line, okay, now look at now, if you check, it's buying back, but I'm sure that it's going to sell. I'm sure it's really going to sell. I'm really sure it's going to sell. But look at right now, it's buying back. What if the thing now changes direction? I've actually closed like 3 trades, $17, $13, and $11. So even if he wants to go, and I actually set my SL. This is my SL for this trade here. Why I'm using this, if you check, let me show you. You might say, oh, it's too high. It's not high. Let me tilt my screen. Oh no, this is too. Let me go on a 5 minutes. All right. If you watch, I don't want this video to be too long. If not, I would have actually given you some little analysis, how I get my signals, how I make my entries and all that. If you check below, I have a buy limit, because I noticed it has been doing the same thing at this point. Look at, as you can see, I'm scrolling back. You see from here it started giving this support and resistance at this point. So I've been buying and selling. Do you understand? So I've actually placed 2 trades on buy, and my SL is a little just bit below. So it's going perfectly well for me. I wouldn't start sending signals now, because I'm a signal provider. If you don't know, if you're just seeing me for the first time or just hearing my voice for the first time, I have a Telegram group where I send forex signals daily on a daily basis. So since this, I'm seeing this and I'm really loving it. Why I'm actually loving volatility index is because it has its pattern. It's not that unpredictable. You can predict it, because if it's going down, it's really going to go down for a long period of time, and if it's going up, it's really going to go up for a long period of time. Let me show you. This market has been selling. Okay, look at follow this line, follow this this vertical line. This is where the sell started from, and it has been selling like that till here. Look at where it is right now, and this is where I'm seeing it. It will touch here. Once it touches here again, I place a buy, and it's going to buy back. So I've noticed, I've gone through the charts. I've been taking out my time to go through the charts and I've noticed that it always goes in one direction for a very long period of time. So you can actually, if it's selling, you can be selling and scalping, selling and scalping till it gets to probably a resistance point, no, a support point. Do you understand? Then once you start buying, it keeps buying and buying and buying until it gets to a resistance point. Do you understand? So it has a direction that you can actually follow. That is what I've been seeing so far. As you can see, that's what I've been seeing so far. Wow, this is also, let me close this. So I don't have any running trade right now. So that's what I have been seeing so far in volatility index. So I'm still learning, I'm still watching, and as you can see, this is a real account. I'm still using my own money to do a whole lot of practice, and so far so good. It's going perfectly well. From $45 to $234. Is that not sweet? Within how many days? I started this account yesterday. Today is Sunday. What's today's date? 5th of June 2022, and I started 4th of June. That was, yes. Now, okay, we can check from the history, right? Yes. Let's see when I made this deposit. I made this deposit at 0603. Okay, today that is 0605. Okay, I made the deposit on Friday. All right, yes, I made the deposit on Friday, and I traded from that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday now. So it has been going perfectly well. Just 3 days, and this is what I've made. I would want you to follow me. You can join my Telegram group. I will be posting signals. I just pray this goes well, so that I'll be posting volatility index signals for you guys, so you can trade it. All right. If this video has been helpful, just give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, guys.